try. Let's get some motion blur. All right. Dimensions, or at least the dimensions were coordinated together. Yeah, let's go the short way instead of meandering around. Over the highway here, 78. Ooh, coming out, yeah. Okay, makes sense. A little bit of water in the canals, but not else. We're doing fine. I think we've got 6 miles. Interlude. Vista. I think this is still Vista. Yeah, Escondido up ahead. It's fun. Pretty easy. Pretty well. We have to have that kind of garbage going on. We're making it. And we'll make it over the bridge that we need to take a picture. What's going on here? In a couple places, or fix it. Fix the bumps. Pedestrian way here. Quite a few people at the mall. It's quite busy. All right, let's see how it does with this bumpy stuff. Over the Hodges Bridge, enjoying myself. Not bad at all. Could do that. Awesome. So this is the vista. So the clouds are coming in anyhow. So we'll figure out, probably most likely. Let's head home. Since we did 2 hours. Figure out if it matters really. The feeling of speed. I doubt it. I really doubt it. Well, that was pretty good. 29 miles an hour, almost 30. It's the Escondido. It goes. That's part of the drive. All right. There's nothing here that's bumpy or anything. Let's go see what this site's Adobe Places. What we got here with all the and that we're going in. I think it's not gonna. Don't know. How about that? All right. Well, there is some sun. There is some sun. Made it through there. Is anything. At the intersection and go that way over, then how's this footage?